My name is Joe Lavigne. I practice criminal defense. I also do some business and commercial litigation. I've been referring cases to Lipton Law for almost 25 years now. I met Jody when I was in a court watching her handle a number of different cases. Nothing got past Jody. She was always very detail-oriented and had a very good eye for spotting things that a lot of other people would not necessarily spot, but also having the fortitude and the courage to follow up on those issues. I knew that she was doing the right things the right way, that she was taking care of people and she was doing everything she could to maximize their recoveries. It also selfishly reflects on me when I refer somebody to another attorney. I want them to be well taken care of because I want them to remember that I did right by them. I would recommend any attorney that's considering a referral, consider Lipton Law. I've always been very well taken care of. Their referral fees are always honored and paid. My clients have been very well taken care of. They're very communicative, not just to the client about the process, but to me. Whenever I let them know that somebody may be giving them a call, they will report back to me on whether or not they had contact or didn't have contact. They will volunteer to contact them, and then they'll keep me informed throughout the process, which is always helpful because a lot of times the client will follow up with me about what's going on, and I'm in a position where I can give them an immediate answer and an informed answer. I think it's important to put myself in the place of the person who's looking for the attorney, and I do like to let people know this isn't just a name that I heard from a friend of a friend. This is somebody who, when push came to shove, I referred my family to. Unfortunately, about 5 years ago, my brother was killed in a motorcycle accident, and I knew exactly who to turn to. I knew it was going to be Lipton Law, and it was going to be Jody and her team. With all of the attorneys that I know in almost 30 years of practice, I knew that Lipton Law was who I wanted to choose, and I'm happy to share that with clients and let them know why. But not only that, let them know that having been through the entire course of litigation as a party and not as an attorney, I was exceptionally satisfied with how things were handled. As a referring attorney, the main thing I'm looking for is for the client to be well taken care of. I want their matter to be handled by somebody else who has the expertise that I lack in the same way that I would have handled it had I been the lead attorney on their case. Whether it's a medical case where I'm talking to Mark and he's reporting back to me about the intricacies of a particular medical condition, whether it's one of their people on their medical team who's providing reports and providing feedback, whether it's an automobile accident and Jody's really in her element on those. Whatever it is, there's a level of competence and confidence that I have, and knowing not just that the person that I sent to them is going to be well taken care of, but that I can continue to do that and anybody else will be well served.